Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see call history in Instagram. I just tap on my Instagram account and officially logged in, and I will just go in my messenger, which is top right corner, and after inside you will see there is no option is to check your call history. You can only just check your call history. First you can just tap on any chat and you will see this is your call history. You will only see when you get inside the chat or one by one, and right now you will see there is no official calling history on Instagram. So you can just if you want to just check it, you can just open the any random chat and check this. You will see this is your call history. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.